Hey guys, I'm Gadget Girl and this is my first ever YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to be basically explaining what I do on this channel and what this channel is made for. And I'm also going to be giving you a little gadget electronic collection haul just to let you know, and I'm also going to be talking while I show you this. So let's just go straight into the video. So channel. So this is a gadget channel, everything from tech to kitchen gadgets to cat gadgets to pet gadgets to everything gadget or like electronic. And I'm going to be giving you guys reviews, comparisons, details, what's best for you and everything like that. So I also am going to be showing you, like what I said, like comparisons from different types of phones, different computers, stuff like that. So that's basically what I do on this channel. And yeah, I'm just going to give you a little collection of what I have for gadgets and electronics. So you can see right here I have all my gadgets and I'm going to show you them. So let's just go straight into my collection. So we have everything from computers to cameras to iPods to cases to iPads to Kindles to phones to iPods. Basically everything. So I'm going to probably start with computers. So I have two Apple computers. I have this really old Apple computer. I don't think it's charged, but you can open it. It's like one of those old Apple computers, but it is like cracked on the screen, so that is broken. And then this one actually works. It's a really old MacBook, but it does work. I have my really old like videos on there, but yeah, this does work as a computer. So that's basically all my Apple computers. And then we have a bunch of like Chromebooks and like Windows. So we have like two of the same of these like ThinkPad computers. We have two of them. They're the same exact thing. I did use one for school one time, but they're the same thing. So yeah, that's that. This one is broken on the top. The top of the screen is like broken, but these two do work. And then I have I think this is also a Windows. This is Toshiba. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's just a little computer. Everything's fine with it. It still works. And then I have an Acer computer. This is a really old computer, so I have a lot of like rainbow My Little Pony pictures stickers, but this is also a computer. Some of the tabs are off, but I know where they are and I know to put them back on. So that's everything with computers. Now I think I'm going to go on to like iPods and phones. So I have this big stash of old iPods and phones. So first to start off, I have this old iPhone 4 with like a case on it. I think this does work, but it just like needs to be like undisabled, which isn't hard to do. I have this really old iPod. I'm not sure which one this is, but it has no camera, so I'm guessing this one is really, really old. I have this one, which is a little bit cracked at the bottom, and then also this one has a camera, but it also is kind of old. I mean, it works. It's like the square charger, but I have all the chargers for everything. I have another one. I think these two are the same, but like different colors. And I also have stickers on the back. And then this one's an iPod Touch, the light blue. This is one I used when I didn't have a phone. But yeah, this is my iPod Touch. So that's everything with phones and iPods. Then I have these iPods, like music iPods. I have this, I'm not sure what this one is, but you can like play games on it. I didn't really bring this anywhere. I didn't really use this either, but I have it. And then I have this Apple iPod. This one's a kind of old one, but it still works perfectly fine. These two are one of the new ones. And they're just like the ones with the home button and everything like that. So these two are the same and they work perfectly fine. And next I have a whole bunch of cases that I want to show you guys, from old phone cases to iPad cases. So I have a bunch of phone cases, so we can go over that after the iPad cases. So I have 2 iPad Air cases. I have this purple one, you can stand it up, and then it's like a spec case. It's really cute and I love it a lot. It's very protective. This one's a Brookstone pink keyboard case. So it's also for the iPad Air. So it also is a keyboard case, but the space is missing. So, but those are my iPad cases, and then all my phone cases. I have a iPod Touch case, red case, and then I have an iPhone charging 6 case. I can't find the top of it, but it still charges like your iPhone 6. I have an iPod case that's for like these iPods. And then all my other cases are from my old iPhone 7. I have this one that I got from Claire's. I have this one that I got in New York City. This one I made myself. It's just a clear case and like paper, decorative paper in the back. And if you guys like want a video on how to do that, I will. And then this one, it says "Don't look back," and it's like one of those glittery cases. So those are all my cases, and then I have my next is cameras. So I'm going to get the camera. So we have this camera that I use now for like pictures. It's a picture camera. I use it now for pictures and stuff. And then I have a whole bunch of really old cameras. I have this Canon camera. It's like a point and shoot. It's out of battery, but it still works. It takes videos and pictures. And then I have this Olympus one. I can't find the battery charger, so it does not turn on right now, but I will try my best to try and find it. This one is a Nixon camera. I know where the battery charger is. I just didn't charge it yet, but this one also works perfectly fine. So that's all my cameras. And then I'm going to move you guys to a different space. And we have this DS, 3DS. It does go 3D, but I cannot find the charger. I've been looking for the charger for a while, but it's just a regular DS to play games with and stuff. Then I have this camera lens also going with cameras. It's the camera lens 75 to 300 millimeters. So that's the camera lens. I have a portable charger just for like the go. If I can't bring my charger, I just have a portable charger. I have this super duper old iPad. I think this has 32 gigabytes. This is a really, really old iPad. It has like this charger. I have the charger and it does turn on, but I just haven't charged in a while, so it might take a while. And then I have my Kindles. This one is dead, but I know where the charger is. It's an Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. And then this is I can take it out of the case. This one is a Kindle Fire. I'm gonna see what Fire it is, but it's a Kindle Fire. It's a Amazon Kindle Fire. And it's like glossy on the back, which is really pretty. I love this, using for books and some games and everything. I really like this. And then my case is just a blue case like that. And then I have a ring light and everything, just to do like for my phone and like pictures. But this is a good ring light. And then I have this big box right here. that has all my cords and chargers and cases for cameras and everything, but I don't want to go through every single charger. But yeah, that's basically my video for today. And if you want another video of me really explaining what this channel is about, because I didn't really explain it that well, then I can totally make another one. But yeah, this is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, bye guys. Thank you.